Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see your achievements on the Sleep as Android app. To see your achievements, go right here, then tap on Achievements. Here, it will show you your achievements for all the different things it may have, many different categories. It gives you achievements for sleep tracking in general, for how many nights you have, for your sleep score, for your smart wake up, just in general different things. It gives you these little achievements for, just to motivate you a bit more. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.